Did you fully upgraded eco?
No. First line of upgrade.
No.
Excellent.
I just love how anything that you can make your bullets hit with this gun, it just like absolutely melts them away.
Yeah. It's really like that.
Yep. Just melted a door.
Nice.
Yeah, he started rolling and I just kept going straight.
Yeah,
Roll
that's
back
exactly
into my
what
sights.
I just saw that on the stream. That's exactly what Krapinski was saying. Like, people think that using the Focke-Wulf is all about just like rolling one direction and then the other. And it's like if you just keep going straight and just wait for them to roll right in front of you, it's so easy. They don't know how to do rolling scissors.
Ape, why the fuck do you have the true Australian tag on here?
Because I'm the true Australian, bruh.
Bruh.
Don't you know I'm Australian, mate? You didn't know that? What the fuck's wrong with you? You cunt.
That sounds so good.
What flickering fire starter?
Dude, but one of my favorite comedians is Australian, Jim Jeffries. It's fucking awesome. Ecode 6! Just kidding. You guys scared? Don't let it.
No, not really.
Alright, I see 1 o'clock low. Like, super low. Like, I don't give a shit about that guy low.
Like, you still dive after him low?
Probably. They're over there by their secondary airfield, basically. Below 1K. Yeah, I've been YOLOing it pretty hard in this game. Oh shit, 1 o'clock co-op. Who the fuck is this guy? It's definitely enemy, he's not taking AAA. Focke-Wulf. Looks like he's turning into us.
Yeah,
head on me.
you.
I'm gonna evade, and then you're gonna get him once he
Vape him. Oh, okay.
once he decides to do something. You can get him.
Yeah, there's the second one.
Is there?
Yeah.
Where? Well, he's turning back into me. Are you gonna be able to come over here and get him, or what?
I'm going for the second one.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I see that. All right, I'm just gonna drag both of them for you. All right, you guys decided to turn, I think, or no? I'm dragging both of them.
No.
For you.
Yeah.
I'm just dragging them. All right. I got red smoke on to make myself an easy target. Someone just merged with you behind you. He's rolling around hard.
No.
He's not gonna be shooting you anytime soon. Don't worry about it. You made one of the guys broke. Did both of them break behind me? Gonna need to know that information, cause I can't see behind me.
Yeah. Looks good.
Okay. You got a 6.
Oh shit.
Are you dead?
Thank you for that information. Yeah, almost.
Wow, Germans actually
Yeah, I got it.
killed the American airfield.
All right. Well, I'm getting the fuck out of here.
I gotta return to base.
Eco, I'm so sorry. I was
You
looking at the
fucker.
fucking one
Always.
guy.
Always. No, don't worry, man.
Oh, fucking orders.
I think he was.
Shit, I can't.
It was
nose
kind of
down any
fast.
harder. Fuck, dude. Fuck, dude. Fuck, dude. I'm so scared. Alright, one broke. That's good.
Pussy. Dude, why the fuck are you flying after me? You just
What?
want that they shoot down me, right?
Huh?
Why were you following me?
Why was I what?
Why were you following me?
Following you? I was in front of you.
No. You turned? When my
Are you serious? I said I was dragging 2 of them.
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
And then
you,
I was waiting for you to let me know whenever they broke.
Yeah, you made a left turn. And then you said,
Yeah, I was
got
doing a
guy
shallow
on my
left, trying to make
6.
him an easy target.
Yeah. Then, but didn't you turn away or something? Ah, forget it. I should make it back.
Is your game joinable?
Yeah.
Yeah.
US, right?
Yeah. If you join about now, you will probably see me crash land.
Cool.
Cool!
Cool, bruh.
Ooh, that plane is derpy. Ooh, even more derpy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on. Wing. Don't drop. Don't drop. And perfect. Well, no. I lost my second wing.
That guy's so mad right now.
Yeah, and my plane is not repairable. Bullshit.
Fuck, I just fucked up my overlay.
No, not the overlay!
I'm gonna try to rejoin.
Well done.